Imagine this, you've spent hours crafting your masterpiece, and then you see this on your screen. Project damaged error. It's a heartbreaker. But don't panic. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to recover your Premiere Pro project and save all your hard work.
Thank you.
Before go further, let's figure out why projects get corrupted. It could be unexpected software crashes, hardware failures, power outages, or even incompatible media. Alright, let's get to the recovery part. Here's the project I want to open, but as you can see, there's that project damaged error message. I can't open the file. So, let's head to the file save location. Here's the last file saved on this drive. We open the folder where the project files are saved. And now we find the project file. Here is the last saved file, which we're trying to open. It's our project, but it's corrupted and damaged. But wait, there's another file saved just above it. Simply click to open this. And I open with the newer version of the software. You can use your own version. Just click it, and let it load. Ta-da! It's opening now. We've recovered our project and saved our work with this simple trick. Just open your previously saved file. As a pro tip, always save your project with a new name after doing some work. For example, use project name 1, project name 2 or something similar. If this helped you out, leave a comment below. I've also linked more helpful videos in the description, so check them out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like this.